Visited Chennai, or for that matter anywhere in Tamil Nadu, the first thing that hits you is the sense of culture, the sense of tradition that the people of the state have. And to give you a sense of how they vote, as well as how inherent religion, culture and tradition is in their blood, take a look at this report that I filed from Chennai. Bharatanatyam, the beautiful dance form from Tamil Nadu, is loved and revered by Tamilians. On an early weekday morning in Chennai, these youngsters are hard at work. They're dancers who've been doing this from when they were toddlers. Bharatanatyam is in their blood. If you're wondering what I'm doing at a Bharatanatyam center, it's because there's a very close link. And if you look at the love for Bharatanatyam in a state like Tamil Nadu, it explains the politics of the state and why they're so deeply entrenched in their traditions and in their culture, and perhaps explains why the Dravidian parties continue to be the top political choice for the people of Tamil Nadu. Even in a city like Chennai, there's a lot of pride in embracing culture and tradition. While they vote for Dravidian parties, they're also deeply religious.
People of Tamil Nadu have always been extremely devout, each in their own way, every class of society in their own particular way, but very mindful of tyoharams, of festivals, of utsavams. And even if you take other festivities in the interiors, there you'll find there is an utsavam on any day that you hit a city. There would be some utsavam. Kolam potu, the kolams are everywhere. It's not just a Mylapore tradition, not just Brahmanical, it's everywhere. And that's an expression of the people.
Chennai is also seeing more and more youth returning to Indian tradition, choosing to dedicate their lives to an art form like Bharatanatyam.
So I was born in Toronto. What drew me to Chennai was, I think it was the vast amount of knowledge that these senior artists had. And it was this yearning to understand the art deeply that I think brought me here.
Culture has been a part of our family since I grew up, but what has kept me going is the fact that every day is a new learning here, and every day it's a journey about yourself. So this art gives you that kind of an internal journey where you're kind of, you discover yourself every day in an absolutely new frame every single time.
But with tradition being urbanized, the biggest concern for artists is how the arts has become politicized, freedom of expression curtailed, and more debates on what can and cannot be done.
I've been chairperson of the censor board, so I know a lot about that problem of interference by the government, if you like, interference by groups of people who feel that this is not good for my, sensibilities.
Freedom of expression is an issue that artists in Chennai are most definitely concerned about, and an issue that has also become a big poll plank in this election season. With video journalist Shivamurthy, Akshita Nathagopal for India Today.